Today's video is on the solar pendant light. It has two hanging lights with a little solar panel. Let's check out what's inside the box and what you get for your 300 pesos or $6 US. Little bracket. Instruction manual. Some hardware action. Nice little LED light in there. Not bad. A little solar panel. Pretty nice looking panel. Some bracketry to hold it. Looks like this bolts onto the here. Let's check it out. Later we'll bolt it up and take a look and see how it works. Have to get this thing charged up first. Little on-off switch. Let's check out the instructions and see what they give you here. Optionable, looks like you can add a couple extra lights, or there's an optionable remote control for it. Doesn't give you much information on the product at all, just what comes in the box. From doing a little bit of research when I purchased the product, it says the solar panel is a 5-watt panel and the cables are approximately 3 meters each. Let's get this thing hooked up so we can check it out. Did the install on the solar lights. It was super easy. I needed to add a few zip ties to tidy up the wires a little bit. Earlier I had the bracket upside down. The bracket actually goes the 2 screw holes to the wall or to wherever you're going to fasten it. And then it has a little wing nut that goes to the solar panel. And we'll check it out later and see how much light it gives us. At nighttime, they automatically kick on. Super nice and bright. Would definitely recommend these to anybody that needs a little bit of light in their shed or outside. Please like and subscribe. And if there's anything you'd like to see me unbox or take apart, please leave a comment and I'll try to make it happen.